My name is Florencio, and I grew up in Barcelona. I've supported the club all my life. My father was a tradesperson too, and inspired me to get into the trade. I started working here in 2014, and it still feels like a dream. Work here can be intense. There are things to check constantly, every day. Thinking on your feet is a key part of the job. So, when you find the floodlights have failed just before a match, you have to find a solution quickly. You can be the best tradesperson in the world, but it's your choice of tools that makes all the difference. When I need to get the job done, Stanley has the tools I can trust and rely on.